Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the General Pro Angle 2. This is a 5-inch digital angle finder. So this comes really handy if you're doing some carpentry work or just doing some miter cuts. And this helps you measure, and it's more accurate than just a regular ruler. So precision stainless steel digital angle finder with reverse angle function. Lock angle feature improves accuracy, saves time, and reduces waste. That's what's on here. So I have actually removed it out of the box to save some time. And it's number 822, UPC 0822. And I took this out and read this thing over a little bit and took a look at it and installed the battery. So a little bit on the back information here is a stainless steel ruler with edge markings. Calculates interior, inside, and outside angles in seconds. Simple locking knob lets you lock arms for angle transfer. Innovative center check knob notch for ruler placement marking. This is accurate to 0.3 degrees. So that's one of the good things. Measure shows both metric and imperial measurement. Here's the specification number here as well. Okay, it does come with a battery. It's a CR2032 lithium-ion 3-volt battery. So if you ever run out, you need to replace that, then you know what to get. So this is something to make a note of. Reading the manual, this manual is very good to keep handy. You probably want to put it in a nice place so next time you need it, you have it. So there's two buttons here. I'm going to show it over here as well. So there's the arm button, which turns it on, and there's the reverse angle button. So those are only two buttons you have. You can tighten or loosen this thing as well. So you want this thing to open up more tight or loosen. I think the default is good enough for me, so I'm not going to play with that part of it. One of the battery things you have here is you push the other side. There's a knob like this one. If you push the other side, the battery comes out, or the cover comes out if you put the battery in. So notice the thing over here. You push the other side over here, the battery comes out over here. So that's the part of the setup plan. So the battery's coming out over here. Okay, folks. So I got the slot holding the battery. I removed it already. It pulls all the way out. Very simple. Notice that this battery that came with a unit, or the one you need to buy for replacement, has a shiny side with a positive. That faces downward. The negative actually faces the top. Then you just slide this into the LCD part of the ruler. So there's like a drawer that slide in. Once you slide in, then it will light up. So this ruler, the LCD is actually removable as well too when this thing breaks, so you're not a total loss. There's screws in the back. It measures in inches and millimeters, and there's a yellow knob that you could tighten or loosen as well. As you can see over here, it opens up. Once you open up, you calibrate it. Just hit 0, and you'll calibrate it again. If you don't do anything, after under 2 hours or so, it will turn off if it's back in the fold position. So more on this thing is documented in a document here, and you can measure different angles as well. You can measure inside and outside angle between 0 and 180. You can measure inside and outside angle measurement between 180 and 360 as well. So if you want to find the other angle that you have here, just hit the reverse. To get it back to the other position, just hit R. Hit that thing again, then it goes back to the regular angle measurement that you have over here. Simple as that. So this product is nice and sturdy, pretty lightweight overall. It does use a battery, and the vendor does supply a battery, so don't have any negatives of that. Other than that, very lightweight. The ruler, there's the bigger size one as well if you're looking for a bigger one. So I'm going to do some example for you right now. So I'm just going to put it against my baseboard. I got 133 degrees right now. So that's my measurement over here with the ruler right now. And you actually could get the reverse as well too. To get that, you just hit the reverse over here. Let me hit it again because I didn't really get to hit the right. Here it goes. 48 degrees for the reverse angle. So simple as that. And you can decide what you want to do for your which cut that you want to make. So 132. So you have to be really careful when you're putting it against a wall or something. Make sure it's tightly fit, otherwise your measurement may be wrong. So that's something I want to measure that. And this one I get 144.4. Okay, that little angle over there. All right. And you actually could hit the reverse to get the other angle as well. Okay, folks, so just a review summary. This is a great product, very accurate measurement. Not only does it work as a ruler, gives you inside outside angle, and it's quite inexpensive. So this is a General Pro Angle 2 5-inch digital angle finder / ruler. And it has inches and millimeter measurement as well. And you could probably buy this on a lot of different places as well, and I'll post a link to that. Hope you appreciate a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.